Yeah, there's a lot of volatility in this debut today. As you mentioned, BuzzFeed surging as much as 30% when it first started trading. Then it traded as low as down 13%. Now you can see it's lower by about 5% today. Well, you might be wondering why so much volatility here. One of the main reasons, if not the main reason, is really this risky structure that's embedded in SPACs. And that has to do with something called redemptions, where most SPACs give investors the option of basically redeeming their shares at the IPO price, usually about $10 each, if they so choose. A majority of investors approved this merger, but 94% of investors decided to withdraw their cash from this company at that $10 price, leaving just $16 million in cash in trust for BuzzFeed. So that implies a very small float for a $1.5 billion market cap company, which is why you're seeing so many price swings today.
You know, I'm looking at the other story we're talking about, and that's Kohls, which is no stranger to activism. And I don't remember when it was, a year ago or so, when we had an activist on our program, John Duskin from Macellum, talking about nominating a slate for Kohls' board. And now you have Engine, not Engine number one, right, but somewhat related?
Yeah, same name at least. This is Engine Capital. And as you mentioned, Duskin settled. He was in a group with 3 other activists. They settled, and that standstill is set to expire in January, I think. But this situation, this is Engine Capital. I'm told by a source close to the matter that they're not working in any sort of group capacity. This is Arnaud Adler. It's a $400 million fund. They have a 1% stake in Kohls, which amounts to about $70 million, although definitely in the green after today, much higher. So basically what they're saying is that the company should be evaluating strategic alternatives, potentially spinning off their e-commerce division, similar to what Macy's is exploring and what Saks has agreed to do. They say that the digital business alone, this is according to the letter, would be worth $12.4 billion, which is actually 40% higher than the current enterprise value of the entire business today. So this is something that we can expect to probably see across the retail industry. The company in a statement saying that the Kohls board and management team continuously examine all opportunities for maximizing shareholder value, but they do appreciate the ongoing dialogue they have with their shareholders and value their input and perspectives, Scott.